Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. As we gear up to say goodbye to one year and hello to the next, there's one topic that's on everyone's mind: New Year's resolutions. It's that exciting time when we feel a surge of motivation, a desire to become better versions of ourselves. We think, this is the year I'm finally going to learn that language, or this is the year I get in shape, or this is the year I read a book every week. The energy is electric, right? You buy the new gym clothes, you download the language app, you stack up the books on your nightstand. For the first week of January, you're a powerhouse. You're unstoppable. You're hitting the gym every day, practicing your new vocabulary, and you're already halfway through your first book. It feels incredible. But then, life happens. Week 2 rolls around, and maybe you miss one gym session because you had to work late. Week 3, you're feeling a little tired, and you decide to watch a movie instead of studying. By the time February hits, for many of us, those resolutions have become a distant, slightly guilt-inducing memory. The gym clothes are still clean, the app is unopened, and the books are gathering dust. Does this sound familiar? If it does, you are absolutely not alone. Studies show that a huge percentage of people, something like 80%, abandon their New Year's resolutions by the second week of February. So what's going on here? Are we all just lacking willpower? Is there something fundamentally wrong with setting goals at the start of the year? The answer is no. The problem isn't with you, and it isn't with the idea of making resolutions. The problem is usually with our approach. We often set ourselves up for failure without even realizing it. We treat resolutions like a sprint when they're actually a marathon. We go all in with an all-or-nothing mentality, and the moment we slip up, we think, well, that's it, I've failed. Might as well give up completely. But what if I told you there's a better way? A way to set resolutions that you can actually stick with, not just for a few weeks, but for the entire year and beyond. Today we're going to dive deep into the psychology of goal setting and habit formation. We're going to break down the common pitfalls and give you practical, science-backed strategies to make this the year your resolutions finally become your reality. So let's start with the first major mistake we make: setting vague and unrealistic goals. Resolutions like "I want to be healthier" or "I want to be more productive" sound great, but what do they actually mean? They're so broad that it's impossible to know if you're succeeding. It's like trying to navigate without a map. The solution is to make your goals SMART. This is a popular acronym in business and personal development, and it stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break that down. Instead of "I want to be healthier," a SMART goal would be, "I will go for a 30-minute walk 3 times a week for the next 3 months." See the difference? It's specific, a 30-minute walk. It's measurable, 3 times a week. It's achievable. 30 minutes is manageable for most people. It's relevant. It directly contributes to your larger goal of being healthier. And it's time-bound. You're committing to it for the next 3 months, after which you can reevaluate. This clarity is a game changer. You know exactly what you need to do each day or week. You can track your progress, which is incredibly motivating. Ticking off those walks on your calendar gives you a little dopamine hit, reinforcing the behavior. Now let's talk about the achievable part, because this is where many people trip up. We are often wildly optimistic at the start of the year. We think we can go from 0 to 100 overnight. If you haven't been to the gym in 5 years, resolving to go every single day for 2 hours is a recipe for burnout and injury. Start small. I mean ridiculously small, so small it feels almost too easy. If you want to start meditating, don't aim for 30 minutes a day. Start with 1 minute. Just one. Everyone has 1 minute. The goal here isn't to become a Zen master on day 1. The goal is to build the habit of sitting down to meditate. Once doing 1 minute becomes automatic, you can increase it to 2, then 5, and so on. This approach is called atomic habits, a concept popularized by author James Clear. The idea is that tiny changes, when done consistently over time, lead to remarkable results. It's about building systems, not just setting goals. Your system is the process that leads to the results. Focus on the system. Don't worry about the finish line. Just focus on taking the next small step. This brings me to my next point, the all-or-nothing trap. Let's say your goal is to eat a healthy salad for lunch every day. You do it for 10 days straight, and you feel amazing. Then on day 11, there's a pizza party at work. You have a slice or two. The all or nothing voice in your head immediately says, you failed. Your streak is broken. You're a failure. Just eat the whole pizza and forget this stupid resolution. We need to silence that voice. A single slip-up does not define your entire journey. It's just one data point. The most successful people aren't the ones who never fail. They're the ones who get back on track the quickest. So you had pizza for lunch? Fine, enjoy it. Then make sure your next meal is a healthy one. Don't let one choice derail your entire day or your entire week. The rule should be, never miss twice. Missed a workout today? Make it a non-negotiable priority to do one tomorrow. This mindset shift from perfection to consistency is crucial. Progress is not a straight line. It's a messy, wiggly path with ups and downs. The key is to keep moving forward even after a stumble. Another powerful strategy is to engineer your environment for success. Our willpower is a finite resource. It gets depleted throughout the day. Relying on willpower alone to resist temptation is a losing battle. Instead, make your desired habits easy and your bad habits hard. If you want to eat healthier, don't keep junk food in the house. If it's not there, you can't eat it. Stock your fridge and pantry with healthy, ready-to-eat snacks. If you want to practice guitar every day, don't keep your guitar in its case in the back of the closet. Leave it out on a stand in the middle of your living room, where you'll see it constantly. Make it the easiest thing to do. Conversely, if you want to spend less time on your phone, make it harder to access. Delete the distracting apps. Put your phone in another room when you're working or trying to relax. Add friction to the bad habit and remove friction from the good habit. You are designing your own world to nudge you toward your goals. And let's not forget the power of accountability and community. It's much harder to give up when you know someone is counting on you or checking in on you. Tell a trusted friend or family member about your resolution. Better yet, find a resolution buddy. If you both want to start running, plan to run together. You're less likely to bail on a 6 a.m. run if you know your friend is waiting for you at the park. You can also join online communities or forums dedicated to your goal. Whether it's a fitness group, a language learning forum, or a book club, connecting with others on the same path provides support, encouragement, and a sense of shared purpose. Sharing your wins and your struggles makes the journey less lonely and a lot more fun. Finally, remember to celebrate your progress along the way. We often get so fixated on the end goal that we forget to acknowledge the hard work we're putting in. Did you stick to your workout plan for a whole month? Treat yourself to something you enjoy. Maybe a new workout top, a nice meal out, or just a relaxing evening watching your favorite movie. These rewards reinforce the positive behavior and keep your motivation high. Just make sure the reward doesn't contradict your goal. For instance, don't reward a month of healthy eating with an entire cake. Find healthy ways to celebrate your milestones. So, to recap, let's make this the year of smart, sustainable change. First, set SMART goals that are specific and measurable. Second, start ridiculously small to build the habit without overwhelming yourself. Third, abandon the all-or-nothing mindset and focus on consistency, not perfection. Remember, never miss twice. Fourth, design your environment to make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Fifth, find an accountability partner or community to support you. And sixth, celebrate your wins along the way to stay motivated. Making lasting change is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice. There will be good days and bad days. The key is to be kind to yourself, to learn from your setbacks, and to keep showing up. Your resolutions aren't about a magical transformation on January 1st. They're about the small, consistent choices you make every single day that add up to a new you over time. You have the power to make this year different. You have the tools. So what's one small, achievable step you can take today to move toward your goal? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content on personal growth and living a more intentional life. Let's make this a year of incredible progress together. See you in the next one.